In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and click on it. Now select Recorder app and tap on this red button to start recording. Firstly, you need to select Allow only while in use or Allow only this time in the pop-up. Then click on the red button again, and as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it by using the right button over here. You can also add a bookmark by tapping on this left one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the red button again, and as you can see, mine is over here. You can always rename it by holding it, choosing rename over here and typing wherever you wish to. Save your changes by clicking on OK. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can also do that by tapping on it, holding it again and holding it and choosing delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!